Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope so you all are fine. This is our computer book and we done our chapter 1 reading, and the name of chapter number 1 is types of computer. Now student, today we going to start our chapter 1 exercise. Firstly, open your book page number 12. Students, activity exercise A, answer the following questions. Question number 1 is write the name of the 4 basic parts of a computer. Answer is the 4 basic parts of a computer are system unit, monitor, keyboard and mouse. Question number 2 is where is the system unit in notebook computers? Answer is in the notebook computers the system unit is fixed under the keyboard. Question number 3 is how many types of computer have you studied in the unit? Name them. Answer is there are 5 types of computer which are as follow: microcomputer, mobile computer, mini computer, mainframe computer and supercomputer. Now students, question number 4 is what types of computer are used mainly in homes and offices? Answer is desktop computer are used mainly in home and offices. Now student, question number 5 is write some types of mobile devices, and the answer is some computer devices are laptop computer, tablet PC, smartphone and PDA, personal digital assistant. Now students, question number 6 is what is the fastest type of computer? And the answer is the fastest type of computer is supercomputer. Okay student, learn this exercise with the spellings and do it on your registers. Okay student, thank you so much. Khuda Hafiz, take care.